So welcome guys, here is another wonderful video. This is actually a wildebeest try to give birth to the younger ones. You can see the process, the giving birth process. It has been a wonderful thing from God that mammals, animals give birth. Okay, so this is a wildebeest trying to give birth to rare. You can see the wildebeest is pushing until it comes out. Okay, so it is actually a workload. So I want you to watch the process till the end. Tell me your opinion about this video. Thank you very much.